Every day I'm dumping guns, rolling Reaper up. I'm trying to get high, and I'm trying to stay there. Soon as I open my eyes, you know I'm on my way there. And chasing that pay, nigga, it's been as fuck a PayPal. Ain't making friends, I'm making money, niggas on a stakeout. And when they bring that cake out, I swear I get a sweet tooth. Your life ain't shit if you ain't blowing up them green roots. Silver coupes with wooden chains and golden watches, chilling with millions, Kardashians and Megan Foxes. Them hoes is options, that's how I be when you press start. My name in all of they mouths now, and that's the best part. He bitching cause he ain't cutting them checks. Well, I'm sorry, that's the price of being behind the next. Take a breath and a step, this nigga acting erect. We the best, all of my dogs went to heaven. The block is hotter than hell, so I be serving the weight behind them rickety gates. This shit can catch me a case, but fuck it, I'm getting paid. If half of y'all can relate, I succeeded. I'm just what history needed. That's not me being conceited, that's you being defeated. Nigga, what's up? Fuck a beef, bitch. We pushing through guts with the slugs. I got niggas, you got bitches. I got money, you got issues. You got your baby mama calling. I got her on the menu, I'm official. Now referee, shoot the pistol. Now referee, shoot the pistol. And if I had a choice, bitch, I'd still choose the bottom. Staying real to the tip. And if you really got a problem, chop it up and get the chopper. It ain't about what you rockin'. If it's a gram that you coppin', I'm accomplished, got that shit on my belt. And I'm a legend in the making, put that shit on my health. I put that shit on my wealth. I told my mama I would buy a new crib in the hills, so every time I take a breath, I'm getting paper, nigga. Now any nigga think he man enough to stand up. Feel like I'm in a room full of bitches. I've been at it since I was little. You at your finish, I get distinguished. You get extinguished. Speaking that fire, cool as a penguin. Smoking on a harpoon, watching cartoons. Hustle for my niggas, seeking freedom from a bar room. Brought all of my crew, a bunch of acid in the guard too. Fuck a local joke, I'm Kevin Hart to all you rude Jews. So stay tuned for a youngin' from the gutter. She sweating before I fuck her, rubber down with shea butter. Sucking all on the others, it never be undercovers, but she undercover. Put her on Instagram, she a homie up. Every day I'm dumping guns, rolling Reaper up. I'm trying to get high, and I'm trying to stay there. Soon as I open my eyes, you know I'm on my way there. And chasing that pay, nigga, it's been as fuck a PayPal. Ain't making friends, I'm making money, niggas on a stakeout. And when they bring that cake out, I swear I get a sweet tooth. Your life ain't shit if you ain't blowing up them green roots.